Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I love to make homemade bone broth, but it is a long process and sometimes you don't have time. This bare bones organic chicken bone broth is a really great way to have super nutrient dense bone broth in a very convenient way. This is slowly simmered for 12 or more hours, and that helps to extract all the incredible nutrients from the bones, and it gives you that really rich, delicious flavor. It has a thicker texture to it than a typical broth, and you can tell that it is loaded with collagen. You can see it. It turns to gel when it's cold. You know that that is the good stuff. This is perfect for so many things. You can add it to your food, of course. You can use it as a base for soups. You can even just sip on it as a health supplement or a drink. It's really warming and delicious and has such amazing benefits. I also really appreciate the exceptionally high amount of protein in this. So in a 16-ounce serving, there is 20 grams of protein and only 80 calories. So if you're looking to add protein to your diet as well, this is an amazing way to do that. And it's a really high quality protein source. It gives you sustainable energy. It's great for all sorts of things, your joints, your hair, your gut. So I have used this broth in making risotto. I have used it for sipping. I have used this in making soup bases. There's so many things you can do with it. This is a super high quality organic bone broth. I am really impressed with it. The nutritional benefits alone are one thing, but the fact that it also tastes delicious and really enhances all of your dishes with a nice richness, you really can't go wrong. I have been very impressed and really happy with it. And that is my point of view.